Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss about that how we can creating for star rating option and the structured data markup using for Google Search Console option. First of all, if I'm searching for any kind of astrologer in Hyderabad, a lot of people is worrying about that. They give kind of star rating in websites, rating, votes. So these are all option how we can creating for Google Search Console option. That coding is there and how we can using for Google Search Console option. In this purpose, select your website. So who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and ask your questions. If anything I'm missing your comment, please recommend me and definitely will be solve your problem here. Next you select the website. Here we can go to option will be Google Search Console. In this option, we have to select option name is called Latency Tools and Reports. You are selecting for Web Tool option. In the Web Tools, they are selecting for Testing Tools option. In this is for testing tool option. Now first will be testing. That data structure will be create or not. First you can check. So once you check this option, they will be find out will be here. So in this code, how will be create is not detected. It is the not detected. So how will we create? That all option will be here. Data, structure, markup, helper. Here will be create. First of all, what is your website? Select your website and copy your website link. This is already code also will be there. I'll show the code also. But code generation, I'm your zero knowledge of code generation option. So how will we generate that code will be here. Select for start tagging. In this, they are looking for tagging the field option. Finally, generating HTML. You can check this code will be data structure testing tool. Where it is, here will be code option will be here. This is a code snippet. Here, the first of all, tag the data. They creating for all options. How will be creating rating, odds, every option will be created from structure data option. Here, first of all, select here, image, select here. So what are the options are here? Select by all options in this here. So now, name. So any name will be here. Name. So everything name will be selected will be here. So what are the phone number you will be capture? Telephone, address, anything will be here. You can selecting for all options. So here, so what are the option will be created in this? So just you can look on here that all option will be filled by everything will be here. So that all will be select address. So everything will be selected here. Any missing field, select here, add missing tag. Here will be all add missing tags will be here. What are the email address, everything. So first of all, you can finish from here in your website home page. So it will be email address, phone number, everything will be here. And next will be URL. URL will be, I can add by the manual option that will be adding for missing tag. So it is URL will be select here, save. The major thing is called your rating and votes option. Where it is add missing tag here. Select your option will be here. Accurate rating, best rating out of 5. Another one, you can selecting for review. Here it will be review rating, best rating. It will be given by the 500. So any option will be missing. Add your tag count. It will be count will be 120. So finally click for save. So what are the options here? It will be give the in this best rating. We can give the rating value also. So give the missing tag. Rating value will be 5. So what the option will be? Review, review today, reviewer. It will be going to the 150 reviews here. Finally, create your file. Address, location, anything you can add. But I'm adding for country here. Don't I'm adding for pin code number. So here will be add this option. So there will be day of week, open time and closing time. Everything will be there. But I'm not using any times. Create HTML. What are the functionalities required? Add your name, image, telephone number, email, everything. If you're writing will be manually, you can writing for manual option also there. Create HTML file. This HTML file, we can simple one. What are the code will be here? Just complete code will be select, copy the code, and we'll go to the structure data, paste, and then run the text option. The code will be running for perfectly will be option will be here. So your rating value will be missing in this. The value for the rating value will be filled as required, so that will be we can give the rating field. So that is called we have changing for tagging. Rating value will be here, so we'll give. So what are the code is not suitable, just no need to worry. Any code is required, you can selecting from here and copy. Test will be here. No need to worry from any code will be testing purpose. Code, run text. Any error or warning you will be showing for here. The value is rating value will field is required. Rating value is the field is required, and price rating is recommended. Please provide the value of available. So this will be give the rating here. So guys, here I'm creating this option. So I'll show the simple preview option will be here. So how we can show the preview will be into the Google search list. This will be 5 star and will be showing for 120. So here I'm showing this option will be where a Google search rating will be 4.5 and votes will be here. So these all option will be given by your particular websites. Not only one website. Here is the here. So this will be I'm reading you the complete option will be here. Rich card preview option will be. So this option will be compulsory show to the customers to encourage the particular audience review and your particular votes option. If you changing for 120 will be more. If you give the rating count value will be 150. So it will be check this option and click for preview. Now previous 120, now it will showing for 150 option. So little bit take time for here, the refreshing for your particular code things. So this all will be updated your particular search console option. So this method will be follow simple. It is activate or not. How will we check? Previous will be checking for code option, and this code is completely copy will be here. So what are the options will be error? So they will be checked from here. The every option will be your particular things. So just copy this code first, make it. This code will be notepad, copy here and log in your cPanel option. So first you can check this website have any code will be here. We can find out here. The thing code will be find out before updating code. So not detect anything here. Now I'm login for cPanel. Login cPanel. Go to File Manager. Here we can selecting option will be public under HTML. So where exact code will be here. We can check out the code and update the code will be here. So there will be head. Those code who we can update. You can tag will be here. Copy this code. Paste from option and you can check from here. You can check for new test, run the text will be here. The find out code will be in the right side column here. So we'll go to the preview option to check the preview also will be visible the particular customers. So this is a way we can creating for star rating option on your particular Google search purpose. Is all nothing but rich card preview on your particular website. That mean by your star rating and reviews. Previous 120, now we'll show you 150. What are the changes you've done? Simple, we can go to here. Where is the 150 can change for 150 here. These all option will be updating your particular website. So this is a creating for star rating option your particular website for Google Search Console purpose. Simple thing, we can go to web tool, checking purpose, testing tool. Is a testing purpose, is a creating purpose. What are those options will be created from your website here. Just select and create your logo, select, add your option. These are method will be follow. Create the star rating option and rich card snippet on your particular website. If any further doubts, you can ask me my channel. I definitely will be support your particular website, how to creating for star rating and rich SafeNet, how to create your particular website. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.